Welcome back to the Win Element Show. Now, for this school year, the year of 21 to 22, we are going to record our lesson planning process and the activity in our class to share with you guys. And hopefully we can get some feedback from other teachers, but also inspire you to look at some of the strategy that we use in our class to empower your student to provide learning equity for all of your students as well. Now, in this first video, we have a new course on i.sledo.com here, which is a learning management website that run by open source technology and on AWS. So basically what we have here is we took the time to pre-create everything for you. So let me show you on my first steps. But before we do that, let me look at what is the content of my other course look like, okay? So I already have last year's course where I taught honor chemistry and AP chemistry, and I'm going to click on it. And this year I'm teaching regular chemistry, as you can see. Now, why am I creating a brand new course, and how much work this is going to involve when I'm doing the 21 to 22 school year? It doesn't take a lot of work at all, and hopefully you can see that throughout this process. But the reason why we create this brand new course because I'm collaborating with other two teachers, and we want to make sure everything align perfect. And that's the only reason. If you are teaching this by yourself, I just reset the course and use it. That's all it is. But as you can see, this is last year course, and the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go to my gradebook, and I have right here, click on it, and I go to grade, okay? And the gradebook is already preset for me already. So I already have assignment, and then I have assessment separately. To change the grading, I think for my assessment, I have 60%, which is good. And if I want to change it, I can change it. But in this case, I really want my assignment to 40%, and then my assessment would be 60%. And I have everything already laid out already. So this comes with a preset course. So easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go back to your course, click on it, go up here, and I'm going to change this to Unit 1. So I click on turn editing on. Okay, so I'm going to change this to Unit 1. And this Unit 1 is about measurement. So let me go back over here. Is this what my Unit 1 is? Yeah, measurement. There you go. As you can see here, there you go. And I can see that right there. And I have one activity, tell us about yourself, this is distant learning. So I'm going to do something different. And this time, I'm going to have my student take a picture of their assigned syllabus with their parents, and then they are going to submit everything online. So that way we don't have to print multiple copy of the syllabus, because I know students in Avid, they want to keep a copy of the syllabus in their binder as well. So in this case, let's go in and create our assignment. So I click on that particular section, this topic right here, click on add activity, and I'm going to click on assignment. And I'm going to call this, well, in my class, or in our class to be exact, in our chemistry class, we have our student have a composition notebook where they put everything in our class in there, organized in a way that's aligned with the organization in our course on i.sledo.com. Okay, so in this case, for my syllabus, I'm going to put 1 page 2, because the first page that we are going to have for all different units is going to be the table content. In this case, we're going to put sign syllabus. There you go. There you go. So that way the student just tape the syllabus there, and I'm going to choose a date. Well, today is July, is on a weekend. So I'm going to have this school really start on August, okay? So August 12th is our first day. Now, I'm planning this ahead before school start. So I'm going to allow the student submission on the first day of school, which is August 12th. And I'm going to click on August 12th right there. So then right away, they can submit it as soon as possible. Then I'm going to ask the student to turn in before the specific time frame, the due date. And I'm going to make sure that the due date is going to be on Sunday, and it's going to be at midnight. There you go. All the way here at midnight. What about the cutoff date? Now, we want to make sure that every student turn in their syllabus throughout the whole entire semester. So I don't really need a cutoff date. And then remind me to grade by. Okay, that's fine. In this case, I don't want the student to type anything. I want them to upload a file, okay? So they are going to upload a file. Now, I only want them to upload an image file, so I'm going to choose only images. I don't want them to upload anything else. There you go, just images. So, like, for example, JPEG or image that they take with their camera. And the maximum size, I want to make sure that they don't upload a very tremendous, huge file. I want them to learn how to take picture and make sure the size of that file is small, because I don't want to download them or take a lot of time if the file is too big. So in this case, just 500 KB, that is good enough. And how many images do I want? I just want 1 images, because they are going to take the back side of the syllabus only, which include the signature of student and their parent with the date on it, okay? Now for all this, I don't really care. I go to grade, and this will go to unit 1, okay? See how we already preset everything already? And I'm going to make this worth 30 points. So that way it's worth enough points. So that way the students are going to do it. So as you can see, when we strategize all of this thing in terms of every component, we want to make sure we are encouraging the student to put in the effort to do their best. Because if you make it 0 point, the student not going to do it. If you make it too little point, the student not going to do it. If you make it too many point, it's going to inflate your grade. So you have to be fair, okay? And then we are done, and I click save and display. Before that, I want to go back here and put this direction, okay? Please take a picture of your signed syllabus and submit it, and upload here to submit it. There you go, and we are done. And I want to bold it, and I want to make sure this will be on the description on the main course page, right? Please take a picture of your signed syllabus and upload it here to submit it. There you go. And we are safe and return to course. What am I missing? Oh, my bad. See, that remind me they cannot be earlier than the due date. Oh, okay, let's change that to the 16th. So it tell you right away if you make mistakes. See the beauty behind that? If you make mistakes, it tells you can fix it. And the cool thing about this, you can change whenever you like it. And of course, if you want to take point off when the student submitted, if I click on here, I can view all submission and it will tell you the due date. But for now, that would be another episode. Okay, so that's what we are going to do on our first day. We are going to go over the syllabus and show the student how to submit the file on i.sledo and how to turn it in. And they have the whole entire remainder of the week to turn it in. And that concludes our first episodes. And if you like the strategy that we have here or have any question, you can put the question in or comment below. And if you like to get notification on future episode, click subscribe and click on that bell